Kāna te ngākau, kua whai wāhi mai koutou ki te mātakitaki I tēnei a whakataitai ara ko te Central North Island whakataitai te puku o te ika ko St. Paul's Collegiate High School up against Feilding High School. Dale, it's always a pleasure joining you, my friend, and I'm excited for the game at hand.
Yeah, obviously, these two teams have proud reputations as well and plenty to play for here in the CNI. It's good to have you with us today on Whakaata Māori. Once again, treated to a pretty decent day right across the country. Some heavy weather apparently coming in, but today it looks decent, and I hope that you're enjoying your Saturday afternoon. Wonderful to be involved in broadcasting here of the FAHS 15 Championships, Super 8, and of course the CNI. The tracking pretty good, Nick, and pleased to be bringing the action to you here on live on Whakaata Māori Fielding. Justin Locke will be pretty pleased with the way that he's been tracking today. Plenty of wheels out wide, likewise with St. Paul's on the side and on the flyers to Caleb Blake and Billy Smythe as we welcome. And also for Feilding, based obviously in the Manawatu, they too are one of the country's proud provincial rugby schools and reputations. We are underway. Feilding working left to right from our broadcast area here at St. Paul's, and immediately a good start as they get themselves right outside the 22. Now the forward play here, Moiha, is going to be so important. After conceding plenty of points last week, they'll be very conscious of the need for some strong defensive efforts. A little run down the right-hand side gets him in good field position to mount a challenge early on here today.
Tēnā koe, Dale. E mea ana koe mo te taha ki ngā paumua, ko ki te ke tātou I ngā he kona tuatahi, te māia o ngā paumua, ara te pāhi, te pōro, he pōhehe no etehi, ka kore ngā paumua e pāhi, te pōro, engari he kaha no Feilding ki te mahi.
Make the tackle, Chase Thompson. Forwards, recognising this is their time to shine. Inching their way forward through the hands of Wallace McLeod now. Chiming in from the far side of the field. This is a great contribution from Jack Nagel.
Me maumahara tātou te karo whakaroto. Kei reira, he hoariri, engari tau te pōro. He oi anō ka hoki mai anō te referee. Ki te hāmene, tū hapa ana St. Paul's. Ka hatia. Ka tepe I te pauro, pāhihia te pōro kia Goodman, ko ia te kai kāpene, ko tahi ana ke tana aronga, koira ko te haere whakamura, te tōtika. Feilding. Tahi mita te tawhiti, taha poto ina ina. Piki whara ki te tangata paku, ko te kaumā toru tērā ko Alfredi Raka.
Alfredi is in again. We love Alfredi. He's been playing some good ball, Alfredi Raka. Hard to stop close to the line.
Not bad.
He's a good man. Well done to him. I like the way he's been leading the squad today.
Look, great throw-in too, Dale, and he joins at the back of the scrum. Rolling. Keep them rolling.
Beautiful. All in control. Got the ball there. His teammates have set it up for him. They can to score. 28 minutes gone. 10-0, fit to come.
Liamu. Wai maui. Kareu ki te ngari pe.
From St. Paul's, deep into the first half. That ball's just eluded. A couple of ended up in the hands of Hull, who charges forward. Hull, he's 10 metres out from the try line. Here's a good chance. They need to maintain possession. They've got the penalty.
Ka hatia. Quick tap. Hei aha ke te toru piro. Ara ko te hawhi peke tērā, Jamie Silich. Whakawa's already been sent to the bin earlier on. Kei te aha a te referee a Josh Waller. Ko hoha haere a te kaiwawao nei. Possibly another professional foul.
Yeah, well the momentum was as well. And chiming in, we've already mentioned Alfredi Raka, working really hard as well, the front row, and none more so than the skipper there for Feilding as we go to the break.
Kei mua I te aroaro, kāti e te iwi, hoki katoa mai koutou, a ki te whakapāhotanga. O tēnei whakataitai te CNI Central North Island te Puko o Tika Secondary Schools competition between St. Paul's College, who have 3 points, going down at this moment by Feilding High School. We'll be back with you to have more coverage of CNI rugby here on Whakaata Māori. 16, 17 years old. Pē ānapea te pakeke o te referee.
Yeah, it's appropriate.
10 points to 3. Feilding, 4th place on the CNI standings, and we're underway. Kua trapu kiki te paoro a St. Paul's. Ko hopukina e Feilding. Once again, big mihi to you guys that have joined in here on Whakaata Māori. O te rā koutou e tūhono mai nei ki te pai tukutuku. Whakaata Māori, Māori Plus on our YouTube channels. E mihi ana kia koutou.
Deep, taken there by Jackson Hay, sends it infield.
Collegiate, tā rātou wā tuatahi kua pēnei te tai ao, te taha poto inaene, ko Birch tēnei. 5 mita. Kei he haere ai te hawhepe ki a Silic. Kāre tawhiti te rāringi piro te tamua a Alex Young. Tahi mita te tawhiti. Kei reira te pauro.
Big chance here for St. Paul's Collegiate.
Piro tuatahi mā te kapa. Māwai. Mā ngā pau nuri pia. Ko pāhia te pōra ki te haika te hiku o te tīma. Ko whai piro te furu peke ara ko Jackson Hay. Piro tuatahi. Mo te kore. Tino nil, I might add.
I didn't expect the kick to go forward, but here's Jackson Hay gets himself into the mix. And really it was a reward for sustaining.
Māma noiho. Koira te painga o te pupuri te poro me ngā.
Throwers right on point. Sneaking the football in the advantage. Here's Feilding who have it. Goodman comes in from the back. The big 17. Kingston Nutters in the mix for them as well. Beezer is playing at the scrum base. So fresh legs, adding another dimension to the attack here. Beezer working it to the right-hand side. Thought for a moment your dream had come true. The big fella came through, but it was Nagel who ended up with the football here for Feilding. Beezer, Goodman. Boom, diddy boom, goes the big skip. Still in strike zone. Beezer craftily working his way around the base of that scrum.
O kia no te referee ki tana wāhi. I hāmene hia ai e St. Paul's. A ko te tūhapa te he. Offside, tūhapa. Anā ko tohua.
Who would have thought it would be so tight?
64 games or so on Whakaata Māori, Dale.
All up, flags are up. Leighton Birch takes the ball, again maintaining possession, and that's really the key to what's needed here. Still alive, still there for Collegiate. Short side play. Day wrestled to ground on the far side of the field. Both teams scrambling, advantage here for Collegiate. And Silic inches his way forward. Still alive. Well, this is really good play here from Collegiate. The referee is giving them the opportunity to keep going. It's another pick and go. Charging run. Tackle made by Ben Copsey is in. Crossfield kick. Clever play. Chases on out here for Caleb Blake. Scrambling to get the ball into possession. Jack Nagel ultimately does so, but the referee might go all the way back.
Surely. He's got confidence to be able to slot this one through the uprights.
It's a pretty tough kick.
It is.
It's pretty decent off the tee. Let's see how he rolls. Hits that one.
Same spot that Pompey missed.
Well, you can tell as well by the applause coming from the sideline that it was the far side there from Kuriambaki. Well, just can't be split, these two teams at the moment.
3 points on the platter, Dale. Another man sent to the bin, that's number 8. Anapu Burke.
When called upon off the kicking tee without fault so far.
Oh, even you could slaughter from there, Dale.
Oh, don't worry about that. Possession vital here for Field, and they need to get hold of the football, but they can't afford to concede a penalty. Just grinding their way forward here. Trying to free that ball up. Some powerhouse play. Still inching their way forward. Smart play here from the home team. Short side. They won't do much more than this here, Moiho.
Just keeping it tight. One off the rack sort of stuff. Knowing that they're coming down to the dying stages of the play, waiting for the referee to indicate how much time he has left. And we're into touch.
And there's the victory. A wonderful success here for the home team and a classic encounter. The disappointment etched on the faces of the visiting squad, Feilding High School, but they can hold their heads up. This team is 7-0 in the CNI, and they grind their way to a victory here in a hard-fought contest, 16-13. Put it on my ear, Moiho, that was some game.
Ai me mihi ka tika ki ngā kapa e rua Dale, Feilding High School. Horua ko St. Paul's, nei rā te mihi kia koutou. Koutou I whakapaukaha mo te roanga ake o tēnei tukinga. Kāti ake e hoa mā kua pau te wā kia māua ko Dale. E mihi nei kia koutou ko tūhono mai nei ki tēnei whakapāhotanga. Ki runga I a whakata Māori hoki katoa mai koutou. He ke mua anō kei mua I te aroaro. Me he mea ko te CNI tērā. Ko te Super 8 rānei here. Our Whakata Māori has been a privilege bringing you coverage. Thanks once again to our sponsors. But from me and Dale, a take on nei rā.